My name is Sachin Goyal. I'm from Karoli, Rajasthan. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech in civil engineering, and I have keen interest in teaching. So today, we will learn sequence and series topic. So the main today's we will be covered these topics. That is, I'm going to write. First will be the basics of sequence and series, and the another one is progression. These are the two topics that we will be discuss. First, start from first basics of sequence and series. So, what is sequence? Sequence is just a basically the ordered list of numbers. Like if A1, A2, A3, these are in the sequence. These are denoted by commas. And if in a sequence, if the values are if the values of sequence in subtracting and in addition, then we get series. For example, if a1, a2, a3, this is called sequence, then a1 plus a2 plus a3 is called in series. There is another concept of progression. Basically, each term of sequence and series will be in specific pattern. If each term of series is in specific pattern, then we call it progression. Like we have already these sequence. Let's say example. So this is called series. This is called sequence. Sorry, this is called sequence. If these are in addition, then we call it series. And as we can see, there is a common difference. That is one. That is one. That is one. It is following a specific pattern, so we can estimate the nth term of this. We call it progression. Mainly, progression are of three types. First one is arithmetic progression. Second one is geometric progression. And third one is harmonic progression. Now we are starting a first progression, which is arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, there is a common difference between two adjacent numbers, which is denoted by D. Common difference, and there is general term. If if we write a standard form of AP, which is A plus D and A plus n minus 1 into D, and we write general term of it is A plus n minus 1 into D. If we ask to sum of the all the terms, then summation of these numbers will be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And for easier calculation, we have to remember some basic or standard formulas also. These are, first will be sum of all natural number which will be n plus 1 by 2, and sum of first odd numbers 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to n, 2n minus 1 will be n square, and sum of first even numbers will be 2 plus 4 will be n plus 1. Also there is property of AP. If A, B, C are in AP, then they also follow this relation, which will help us to solve the question of AP. If the question may ask, if fifth term, if fifth five times fifth term of an AP is equals to 8 times the eighth term of AP, and find 13th term on AP, then we can write 5 times of fifth term, which will be 1 plus 4d, and 8 times of eighth term, which will be a plus 7d. We can write it as 8 times of a plus 56d, which will be ta plus 36d. And question is asked about 13 term, which will be a plus 12d, and this ratio also equals to a plus 12d. So by solving we can say the answer is 0 for this question. Now we are starting the second topic, which is geometric progression. Here ratio of each term will be constant, which is denoted by r, or also known as common ratio, and standard form will be a r to the power n minus 1, and general term of geometric progression is Tn बराबर a r to the power n minus 1. If the question may also ask the summation of n terms of geometric progression, then formula of summation will be a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, where mod of r should be greater than 1, and if mod of r less than 1, then formula will be little changed like this. And if a, b and c are in GP, the geometric mean of GP will be b square equal to AC, where b is our root में c. Now we are solving quick question for is, if third term of GP is 5, and the product of first 5 term of GP will be asked, then we solve this like third term will be AR square equal to 5, And the product of five term is AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4. Then the answer will be A to the power 5 and R to the power 10, which is AR square to the power 5. We have 5, so the answer will be 5 to the power 5. And this is done for the GP. Now we starting the topic, which will be harmonic progression. In harmonic progression, each term of AP will be reciprocal of, and if A, B, C, these are in AP, then the reciprocal of each term 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C will be in GP, in HP. And standard form will be 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, and 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. And general term, here a question is asked, which is 4 term of HP is 3 by 5 and 8 term of HP is 1 by 3. Then the question asked about 6 term will be. The 4 term is 1 upon plus 3D, which is 3 by 5, and 1 by 8 term 1 by 8 1 plus 7D, which is 1 by 3. We can also write this like 1 plus 3D barabar 5 by 3, and 1 plus 7D equals to 3. By solving, in one question 1 minus 2, 4D is equal to 3 minus 5 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3, D equal to 1 by 3. And by putting the value of it in equation 1, A equal to 5 by 3 minus 3, 1 by 3, which is A equal to 2 by 3. Now the question is simple, which is asked about 6th term, which will be 1 by A plus 5D, which is 1 by value of A 2 by 3, and which is we can write 7 by 3 will be the answer of this question. So thank you.